So here's a bit of a different video today. What you don't usually see with barbers is that you usually see a transformation in a sense of the hair is really long and it goes from long to short. Now Pav's you're kind of doing the opposite thing, right? We're growing, we're gonna grow out, and I'll put a picture up of exactly what he said me yesterday and what you want. Tell me what kind of look you're going for.
So Kieran, as you know, I've had the skin fade and the short messy on top for about a few years now, like a good 4 or 5 years. I'm looking to grow my hair out, and I want to have it sort of a bit like a taper, pushing it back a little bit with a bit more volume on top as well, rather than having it short and messy than I've always had.
So in that sense, instead of it, Pav's hair predominantly pushes forward. So what we're kind of do is we want to try and prominently get that to push back, get these sides to grow out so they can start pushing back, the back a lot heavier. What I'll do is I'll give you an all-round look of it in a second, and then I'll show you this is going to be literally the first cut to this style that we're putting in, right? So, and what I'll do is every time Pav comes in, I'll keep updating you until we get the idea or the finished look.
So when starting off Pav's hair, you notice straight away that big thick line there. That is because Pav decided when he was shaving and shaping his beard up, he went a bit too high with his hair, which, you know, it's not a problem because this is the first haircut putting every single detail in. It's just going to have to be a grow out. I'd rather it be on the first haircut that he does a slip up like this, and not on one towards the end where we've nearly got it perfect and then he tries to cut his beard and he shaves a massive chunk out the sides, because then we'll have to work right from the very beginning again. So going in with I've just taken the bulk out, foiling it, shaping around the ears, nothing too drastic, very, very simple things now. Just I want to get this shape in, I want to try and put this taper in, so very, very small movements, just so I can get that blended nice and tight, because I don't want it to really go any higher than it. Making sure we're keeping that taper kind of as low as we can, whilst also trying to fix that massive line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by just shaping it around the edges, just so he's got some nice sharp lines, because while we're waiting for this hair to grow out, we might as well just taper them lines in while it's still slightly shorter, and then we can start working this bulk. I was a bit in kind of fear because I was like, oh, how high am I going to have to take this? But actually it settled itself out quite nicely, especially running the thinners through it. That was probably my my biggest skill to this haircut, was just running them thinners through it. And as soon as I did that and started to realize that line was really softening out, it was perfect. It's even worse on the other side, so get ready for the other side. But yeah, and then we just tapered that out nice and simple. Round to the back we go, and yeah, started putting in my zero line in just an inch above, and then we just worked in this taper as you would do, going from guard to guard to guard, just making sure it's fading in, and then a little bit of clipper over comb. I like to do my my tapers straight at the back. Some people like to do them slightly curved. I like to take my tapers nice and straight. It is what it is, everyone is different, and so yeah, I just did it that way. We work exactly the same on the other side, and as you can see already, that other side has that massive dent in it where he is shaved up, which is, it's fine. It's the first haircut to this new look that Pav is going for, so it is not a problem. Again, as I would say, I'd rather it be the first haircut than the last haircut, because it's a lot easier to get out now and work it in now than it would be 5-6 haircuts in. And you know what, as you say, it's a complete restyle to Pav's hair, so we're starting out, we're starting afresh. This is a fresh canvas, and so working these tiny little bits, it's no issue at all. We got them out in the end, and yeah, we made sure it looked really nice for what we were doing. Now this is where I was panicking, because obviously Pav's hair pushes forward all the time. You can see already when I'm wetting it down, it doesn't want to go backwards. And I was really honestly skeptical about taking any length off, so I literally took the tiniest little bit of length out, and then with that tiniest little bit of length, them edges, what were just slightly thicker, I just took the thinners too, so when I dried it, it would just soften ever so slightly just on them edges, because I didn't want to really be taking off length. We want to grow that out. Later on, we can then take out length when needs be, but I need them sides to really, really grow out first to the style that he wants. So, little bit of mousse, as in a tiniest bit of mousse, once Pav's hair was wet, and then we started drying in. Actually, this part here, where I'm drying this first part, I'm in my head, I'm thinking, this is going back. This is working. And so I was shocked with myself, and I think also Pav was a bit like, oh, this is working, this is looking good, because he was like, I didn't expect it to look this good first time. He was like, I was expecting it to be kind of a get by cut and we grow it out and make it work and stuff like that. His shape up, we're completely leaving it. We're going to completely leave Pav's shape up to grow out, and yeah, it's one of the things I said, if you're going to grow out, you might as well grow it all out. That shape up, I prefer the natural look, and I think it will suit you. It's going to take a while, but we'll get there. Little bit of hair cream, followed by some powder and a tiny bit of hairspray, and then we just work that all in, and it sat really nice. Finding his part in is going to be kind of a little hard. But I think it parts from the left side, just off the middle of the left side slightly, and this is the finished look.
So this is the finished look currently. This is cut one, right? Cut one, and it already looks okay. We're currently getting. If you just look to the side for me, so we can show everyone. Come back round. So there was a couple of bits where Pav had shaved and taken it a little bit higher on the shaver, so we had to kind of go around and take it up a little bit higher. That's got to grow out. Also, whilst cutting Pav's hair, we've decided that he usually boxes it off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grow the box out. it's gonna be hard for him, but we're gonna also grow all this box out. So I reckon around Christmas time this is gonna be like done and completely complete. But actually, I'm really shocked for a first haircut how good this has actually come out first time, and it can only get better from this. So yeah, there we go.